When I got lost, you showed me the right way to take. My source of inspiration, the reason I get